Acclaimed city girl Suzanne Cook, known to her nearly 40,000 YouTube followers as WT Farm Girl, is making bank from these videos. They've watched her find her footing in agriculture with her kids in tow, riding on a tractor.
Aaron at the time was just a tiny infant, just a couple months old, and I had him strapped in the car seat with 5 different ratchet straps so we wouldn't fall off the tractor, and just cutting the hay and trying to make it happen. It was calamities everywhere.
Along with her boyfriend Eric, Suzanne helps run his Michigan farm, where they've been making maple syrup and high-quality hay for the last 6 years, recording pretty much every step of the way.
First-generation family farm being run by someone with no experience, so it's just kind of a tongue-in-cheek look at what's happening.
At first, she wanted to write a book about her experiences, but she says publishers shot her down.
I was told that no one cares about farming anymore. I'm not the sort of person to be told that I can't do something.
So she turned to YouTube, noticing there was an audience who wanted a peek into what it's like to be a young woman farming, while advocating for more women to get involved.
I don't get paid to work out here, and YouTube has been fantastic for me to earn basically a part-time job making videos.
Now she's helping raise the next generation of farmers, one bale of hay at a time. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Stephanie Officer.